Reliable and inexpensive, the AKG K92 is designed to inspire those at home who would like to start listening to some high-end, lossless music or using them for sound recording as monitoring headphones, while some amateur musicians can also make use of them. Hi guys, my name is Arthur, and in this video I would like to show you my latest purchase, the AKG K92 closed headphones for home recording and live monitoring. In this unboxing and review video, I want to show you what you can expect from these relatively budget headphones and what their modest budget might mean in terms of quality and user experience. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you will find obviously the headphones, some papers, and 6.3 screw-on adapter is provided as well. The package is very simple, let's say. Let's talk about the history of this company. AKG Acoustics, it's an acoustic and cinema equipment company based in Vienna, Austria. The products currently marked under the AKG brand mostly consist of microphones, headphones, wireless audio systems, and related accessories for professional and consumer markets. The majority of the components you'll find here are made of plastic, but the K92 still feels like a valuable and well-produced piece of equipment. The metallic accents and components are there to add a feeling of quality and robustness. The lightweight plastic housing brings with it a benefit. It's very light and you don't feel it on your ears. At just 220 grams, nice levels of wearing comfort are there. The ear pads feel pleasantly soft, but they are not anywhere near as breathable as some more expensive AKG models. The AKG K92 is very multi-purpose headphones. You can use them for listening to music or for monitoring while working in the studio or recording your voice. In terms of sound, the K92 model is just okay. I mean, it's fine, but don't expect it to sound for $1,000. The K92 is a pleasant sounding, powerful enough model for a headphone that delivers wonderfully wide stereo image for most of the people. Noise isolation. Despite being an over-the-ear headphone, the noise isolation of the headphone is only fairly decent. If there is a music playing at a moderate volume, most external noises are blocked out. However, if the headphones are silent, you will be able to hear moderate to loud noises. They don't have active noise cancelling feature. If your budget is limited or you just want to have something good for its price, the AKG K92 is one of the best choices on the market. I'm using them mostly for voice-off monitoring in recordings, as my studio headphones for editing my YouTube videos, for gaming, and even listening to some lossless music in Apple Music. They are great. Conclusion. Overall, the AKG K92 is a great looking headphone that offers decent bass and mids. While being relatively cheap, it's still an enjoyable headphone for casual music listeners or beginners in audio world. You can find them on sale on Amazon quite often. Guys, thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If you want to support me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented videos. Thanks again and see you later on YouTube. Bye bye.